exercise 6a, third bit first question. If the coefficients of x power 9, x power 10, x power 11 in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 9, 1 plus x whole power 9 are in AB, 1 plus x whole power 9 are in AB. Then prove that n square minus 41n plus 398 equal to 0. So we need to prove this one equal to 0. Okay, now, so the coefficients of x power 9, x power 10, x power 11 are in AB. First solution, in which expansion 1 plus x whole power 9, 1 plus x whole power n maybe 1 plus x whole power n, not 9, 1 plus x whole power n expansion. So which is equal to c naught plus c1x plus c2x square plus up to so on plus cn x power n. This is the 1 plus x whole power standard binomial expansion. So c naught plus c1x plus c2x square plus up to so on cn x power n. This is the standard binomial expansion. So observe x power 1 coefficient c1, x square coefficient c2, x cube coefficient c3, x power 10 coefficient c10. So we need a coefficients of x power 9, x power 10, x power 11 are c9, c1 x power 1, c2 x power 2, similarly c9 x power 9, c10 x power 10, c11 x power 11. So the coefficients of x power 9, x power 10, x power 11 are c9, c10, c11 respectively. So these c9, c10, c11 are in arithmetic progression which is given, which are in AB. So if these are in AB, A comma B comma C are in AB, so 2 into middle equal to first plus third. So 2b equal to A plus C. This is the formula. A, B, C are in AB, 2b equal to A plus C. So 2 into C10 are C9 plus C11 equal 2 into C10. C9 plus C11 equal 2 into C10. So next, so divide with C10, C9 by C10 plus C11 by C10 equal 2 into C10 by C10. So both sides divide with C10. So here one formula NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to N minus R plus 1 by R. This is the formula. NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to N minus R plus 1 by R. So this is the formula we are using, this formula. So here it is nothing means N. Since the power is N, NC9 by NC10. So I want to do it ladder. First I want to do this one. NC11 by NC10. NC11, C11 is nothing but NC11, C10 is nothing but NC10. So this is in this formula. N R minus 1. N 11 minus 1 10. So N equal to N itself, R equal to 11. N minus 11 plus 1 by R 11. Next, this is reverse thing. NC9 by NC10. Actually, the formula is NCR by NCR minus 1. This will be reversed. NC9 by NC10. So I want to take this one NC10, C10 by C9 reciprocal. So N equal to N, R equal to 10. So it is reciprocal. N minus 10 plus 1 by 10, which is equal to 2. C0, C10 getting cancelled. So 10 by N minus 9 plus N minus 10 by 11 equal to 2. So taking LCM, 11 of N minus 9 equal to 10 into 11 plus n minus 9 into n minus 10, which is equal to 2. Cross multiplication. So 10 into 11, 110 equal to n into n square plus n square not equal to 110 n into n square, n into minus 10 minus 10n, minus 9 into n minus 9n, minus 9 into minus 10 plus 90 equal to 11 into 2, 22 of n minus 9, 22 of n minus 9. So n square minus 10n minus 11 minus 9 minus 19n, 110 plus 90, 200 equal to 22 into n, 22 into 9 minus 198. So bringing these two terms left side, n square minus 19n plus 200 minus 22n plus 198 equal to 0. n square minus 19n minus 22n minus 41n, 200 plus 198, 398 equal to 0. n square minus 41n plus 398 equal to 0. So we got it. So this is the required solution. Okay. Next. Third question we will do instead of second one later. So third question. So third question, if the second, third, fourth terms in the expansion of a plus x whole power n of a plus x whole power n are respectively 240, 720, 1080. Then find a comma x comma n. Okay. So the expansion is a plus x whole power n. A plus x whole power n expansion. In this expansion, second, third, fourth terms are given. So these second, third, fourth terms are 240, 720, and 1080. Then we need to find the values of a, x, n. Solution. First, T2 second term 240, T3 720, T4 1080. So these are the terms. Second, third, fourth. First, I want to write expansion. A plus x whole power n. NC naught. First, a power n plus NC1 a power n minus 1 x. NC2 a power n minus 2 x square plus up to so on NCn x power n. This is the expansion. So first powers are decreasing, second powers are increasing. Okay, now second term. This is the first term. This is the second term. So T2 equal to NC1 a power n minus 1 x, which is equal to 240. Equation number 1. T3 NC2 a power n minus 2 into x square 720. Equation 2. T4 second, third, fourth. So T4 actually the next term NC3 a power n minus 3 x cube 1080. Equation number 3. So I want to divide 2 divided with 1, 2 by 1. So NC2 into a power n minus 2 into x square by NC1 a power n minus 1 into x, which is equal to 720 by 240. 720 by 240. Equation 2 divided by equation 1 simply. So 240 into 1, 240 into 3. X into 1, x. Okay, now if we observe n minus 2, n minus 1. Which one power bigger? N minus 1 is bigger. So we are getting A. Now NCR by NCR minus 1 form. NCR by NCR minus 1 formula n minus r plus 1 by r. So n equal to n, r equal to n minus 2 plus 1 by 2, n minus r plus 1 by r into numerator x, denominator a, which is equal to 3. Now n minus 1 by 2 into x by a equal to 3. This is equation number 4. This is equation number 4. Now 3 divided by 2. 3 by 2. If you are dividing 3 divided by 2, NC3 x power not x, a power n minus 3 x cube by NC2 a power n minus 2 x square, which is equal to 1080 by 720. 0 0 cancel. 36 into 2, 36 into 3. Simply 36 into 2, 36 into 3. Okay, now NC3 by NC2, again the formula NCR by NCR minus 1. So n itself n, r equal to 3, n minus 3 plus 1 by 3 into. So x cube by x square, we will get x. So this is 1 power more than 3 is 1 more than 2. So x n minus 3, n minus 2, a powers. So n minus 2 is bigger. How much bigger? 1. So the denominator we will get a power n minus 2 get n minus 3 getting answer 1 more a equal to 3 by 2. So equation number 5. Now so I am dividing 4 with 5, or else from 4 n minus 1 into x by a equal to 6. This one n minus 2 from 5 n minus 2 into x by a equal to cross multiply 9 by 2. So from 4 and 5, so 4 divided by 5. If we divide 4 with 5, what will we get? N minus 1 of x by a by n minus 2 of x by a equal to, so 6 by 9 by 2. X by a cancel. N minus 1 by n minus 2 equal to 6 into, it will be reciprocal, 2 by 9, 3 into 2, 3 into 3. So cross multiply 3 of n minus 1, 2 into 2, 4 of n minus 2. Now 3 into n, 3n minus 3, 4 into n, 4n minus 8. So 4n minus 3n equal to 8 minus 3, n equal to 7. So we got n value. So and also we need a and x. So n value is equal to 5. Put n equal to 5 in equation 4. In equation 4. So equation 4 is 5 minus 1 by 2 into x by a equal to 3. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 4 by 2 into x by a equal to 3. 2 into 2 cross multiply. X by a equal to 3 by 2. X by a equal to 3 by 2. So x equal to 3a by 2. So x equal to 3a by 2. This is equation number 6 and 10. X value 3 by 2. Now, so I want to take equation 1 from 1. So one equation is NC1 a power n minus 1 x equal to 240. So I am taking equation 1 NC1 a power n minus 1 into x equal to 240. I am taking simply. So put n equal to 5 and x equal to 3a by 2 in above. So we got n value 5 and x value 3a by 2. I want to substitute in this. So 5c1 into a power 5 minus 1 x 3a by 2, which is equal to 240. 5c1 equal to 5. a power 4 3 by 2 into a equal to 40. A power 5 equal to a power 4 into a power 5 equal to 240 into 2 by 5 into 3 50. So next a power 5 equal to 3 5 48 3 60 60 into 2 32. A equal to 2 power 5. A power 5 equal to 2 power 5. A equal to a value 2. So put a equal to 2 in equation 6. In equation 6. If we substitute in equation 6, x equal to 3a by 2. 3 into a 2 by 2. 2 cancel. So x equal to 3. So we got x value, a value and n value. Therefore n equal to 5, a equal to 2, x equal to 3. So this is the required. Start with the sixth question. If P and Q, if P and Q are the sum of atoms and sum of event terms, sum of atoms and sum of event terms respectively in the expansion 1 plus x plus a whole power, then prove that first one p square minus q square equal to x square minus a square whole power n. Second, 4pq equal to x plus a whole power 2n minus x minus a whole power 2. X plus a whole power 2n plus x minus a whole power 2. So I want to take the expansion first solution. X plus a whole power n equal to n c naught x power n c1 x power n minus 1 into a n c2 x power n minus 2 a square n c3 x power n minus 3 a cube plus up to so on n cn a power n. So x powers are increasing, a powers are increasing. So if we are taking this expansion, in this expansion atoms, sum of atoms p, sum of event terms q, add first term n c naught x power n, third term n c2 x power n minus 2 a square. So p equal to n c naught x power n c2 x power n minus 2 a square n c4 x power n minus 4 a power 4 plus up to so on. So this is p. Next q are even terms. First, second, nc1 x power n minus 1 a, nc4 x power n minus nc3 actually x power n minus 3 a cube, nc5 x power n minus 5 a power 5 plus up to so on. Now p plus q equal to, so adding all this, sum of all and event terms which is equal to x plus a whole power n. Next p minus q equal to plus minus alternative plus minus. So x minus a whole power and same terms we will get alternative plus and minus. So now I want to do product p square p plus q into p minus q, which is equal to x plus a whole power n x minus a whole power n. P square minus q square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, x square minus a square whole power n. So first one done. Now so this I am taking. Second, x plus a whole power 2n minus x minus a whole power 2n. So now I want to write this one, x plus a whole power n whole square minus x minus a whole power n whole square. X plus a whole power n equal to p plus q whole square minus p minus q whole square. P plus q, p square plus q square plus 2pq. P square minus q square minus 2pq. Since it is minus, terms are minus pq minus q square minus p square minus q square minus 2pq minus minus plus 2pq. So p square cancel, q square cancel, 2pq 4pq. So this is the required solution. Next question number 7. Seventh question is, if the quotients of four consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power are a1, a2, a3, a4 respectively, then show that a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4 equal to 2a2 by a2 plus a3. We need to prove this one. Okay, now solution. So expansion is 1 plus x whole power c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus c3x cube plus up to cn x power n. This is the standard binomial expansion. In this expansion, these are the four terms consecutively. So a1 given, a1, a2, a3, a4 are four consecutive quotients, binomial quotients. A1, A2, A3, A4. So I am taking four. For example, C0, C1, C2, C3. These are the four. C1, C2, C3, C4. C5, C6, C7, C8. Like those consecutive four. So let A1 equal to CR minus 1. A2 equal to CR minus 2. A3 CR minus 3. A4 CR minus 4. So these are the four consecutive binomial quotients. Next, I am taking this one, a1 by a1 plus a2. A1 by, I am taking a1 common, 1 plus a2 by a1. A1 getting cancelled. 1 by 1 plus a2 by a1. CR, not this one. CR minus 1, CR plus 1, CR plus 2 I am taking. Increasing order I am taking. So CR minus 1, CR plus 1, CR plus 2. CR by CR minus 1. So this is NCR by NCR minus 1 formula. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus n minus r plus 1 by r. So equal to 1 by LCM r plus n minus r plus 1. R cancel. This comes to numerator r by n plus 1. R by n plus 1. This is now a3 by a3 plus a4. A3 by a3 plus a4 equal to a3 by, I am taking a3 common, 1 plus a4 by a3. So a3 into 1, a3 cancel, a4. So a3 getting cancelled. 1 by 1 plus a4 CR plus 2 by CR plus 1. Same like that formula, but instead of r plus 2, 1 by 1 plus n minus r plus 2 plus 1 by r plus 2, which is equal to 1 by LCM r plus 2, r plus 2 n minus r minus 2 plus 1. Now r getting cancelled, 2 getting n plus 1. Now next 2a2 by a2 plus a3. So 2a2 by a2 common 1 plus a3 by a2. a2 cancel. 2 by 1 plus a2. a2 equal to a3 equal to cr plus 1 by cr. cr plus 1 by cr. So equal to 2 by 1 plus cr plus 1 n minus of r plus 1 plus 1 by r plus 1, which is equal to 2 by r plus 1 into 1 r plus 1 plus n minus r minus 1 plus 1 cancel, r cancel. This comes to numerator 2 of r plus 1 by a plus 1. 2a2 by a2 plus a3. Now I want to add a1 by a1 plus a3 plus a3 by a3 plus a4 equal to r by n plus 1 plus r plus 2 by n plus 1 LCM n plus 1 r plus 2 2r plus 2 by n plus 1 2 common r plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is equal to 2 of r plus 1 by n plus 1 equal to 2a2 a1 by a1 plus a3 plus a3 by a3 plus a4 equal to, this is equal to what? 2a2 by a2 plus a. So this is the required solution. Okay, next is problem 9th question. Prove that C0 plus C1, C1 plus C2, C2 plus C3, Cn minus 1 plus Cn equal to n plus 1 whole power n by n factorial C0 C1 C2 up to so on C. Up to so on C. Okay, so I am taking solution. LHS I am taking LHS C0 plus C1 C1 plus C2 C2 plus C3 up to so on Cn minus 1 plus Cn minus 1 plus Cn. Okay, so in this C0 common 1 plus C1 by C0, C1 common 1 plus C2 by C1, C2 common 1 plus C3 by C2, Cn minus 1 common 1 plus Cn by Cn minus 1. Okay, now so I am taking all these one side. So before that CR by C R minus 1 formula n minus r plus 1 by r. This is the formula. So C0 C1 C2 up to so on Cn minus 1 plus C1 by C0 n minus 1 plus 1 by 1 n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus 1 by 2 up to so on 1 plus n minus n plus 1 by n. So instead of r I am writing here it is 1 2 n. So n getting cancelled. So up to Cn minus 1, Cn value 1. So I want to write up to Cn. C0, C1, C2, Cn. 1 plus n by 1. So taking LCM 2 plus n minus 2 plus 1 up to so on n 1 plus n plus 1. So 2 cancel. C0 C1 C2 up to so on Cn n plus 1 by n plus 1 by 2 not n 1 n plus 1 by 3 up to so on n plus 1 by n. So C0 C1 C2 up to so on Cn. So how many n plus 1? N times. n plus 1 whole power by 1 to the up to n equal to n factorial. This is the required solution.